No, that's Lily. That's Mufflerman, Muffler King.
Yeah, Mufflerman, that's what's the name?
Yeah, you remember that? What happened?
Lily's for sale.
Oh yeah, I heard. I seen the Facebook post. Let me go on here to let my people on here know, man. They selling Lilith, y'all. He talking about he want to do some old truck or something. He said he want a truck. So this car right here for sale, I think he want, 30, 20 or 30. It's a street car. How much was it? How much? 30, 35, 35. He want 35. There go the Mustang I beat y'all with the roll cage. Yeah, they talking about he want 35 racks for this thing. You better show us something, huh? Y'all, he better show y'all something. Hey, y'all, this car for sale, y'all. See what 35,000 will get you?
Hey, what you do? Went yonder way.
Hey, man. I got a good view of that. Alex Treviso said, God damn, I'll give him 28. Hey, man. Hey, man. Nah, that's past 100 feet, cause that was a 60 foot. I give him close to 150. He was close to 150, man. That was good. That was good, nice wheelie, man. My boy said, you know it's for sale. You know it's for sale. I can't afford it. That's out of my class. YouTube ain't paying that much, man.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.